Sanibonani bafowethu, ubagobe Sigobe lona kunodaba engifuna ukulidlulisa lana masinya nje. Ngithi ngiyapheruza la ku-TikTok, I come across a video of a professional nurse, umama nje omdala, and judging by amabuzz she had, part of management of a clinic or a hospital. So kwi-video yakhe uthi, as South Africans thina, we lost ourselves, we lost our roots. How did we become so evil and heartless? How do we turn away a pregnant woman? What if she loses the baby? Blah blah blah. Bafowethu masingakhulunyiswa kusutha, masingakhulunyiswa ukuthi siyasebenza, siya-afford and we use ama-medical aid, siyabhukha kubo-doctor bethu, sifike ngo-10 sihambe ngo-10:30, masingakhulunyiswa yilokho. If you don't use public clinics, you have no right ukuthi uzokhuluma nge-public clinic because wena uyazi ubunzima nobuhlungu be-public clinic awubazi. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokufika e-Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital, ufike ngo-6 o'clock ekuseni, ekubeni uvuke ngo-4 noma ngo-5, ufike khona ngo-6. Mawufika ngalo 6 loyo unumber 700 and something. Out of the 700 and something, 600 and something or 500 and something ama-illegal foreigners. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengaloyo. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi ufike kwi-maternity ward e-Chris Hani Baragwanath, mawufika kuthiwa imbheda ayikho, udadewenu bambeka lapha phansi, azalele phansi, imbheda is being occupied by ama-illegal foreigners. Bafowethu masingakhulunyiswa kusutha, mawungalambi ungakhulumi ngendlala because uyasutha wena. So bafowethu, abantu abasebenzayo or maybe abantu abanama-medical aid, masingakhulunyiswa kusutha noma uba spoiled bakuthi we have ama-private doctors, ama-specialist private. Mawufike ngo-10:30, ngo-10:15 uyaphuma or ngo-10:30, masingakhulunyiswa yilokho. Same applies njengale EFF le evula ama-case for i-Operation Dudulo ukuthi baxosha abantu from i-healthcare system. Mangaxoshwa abantu bangaphandle, xoshwe bapha abantu. Ibapha abantu kumele ukuthi bangabi nembhede, ibapha abantu kumele ukuthi bangatholi amaphilisi, because what's happening, guys, with no doubt or no shame, our healthcare systems are being overcrowded by illegal foreigners. That's no doubt, no shame. Futhi sizoyisho nje sithi ama-illegal foreigners are overcrowded e-system yethu. Istats esitholakala manje se-HIV ukuthi ama-South Africans is this percentage or this number of abantu be-HIV. That is not ama-South Africans. Kuqeda ukuvela ukuthi people come from their countries, bafike bazogulela ngapha, especially country yaseLesotho, which has the highest number of abantu be-HIV, baza ngapha, ba-collecta ngapha, and sekuvela ngathi ama-South Africans wonke. Guys, let's be fair. And yabona, in the next coming elections, I want to tell you this, voter ucabangisise, because the ANC has failed the country, the ANC has sold their country, and EFF will never lead this country because they advocate for illegal foreigners. EFF will never lead this country because they defend illegal foreigners. The only people abazothola amavote wethu abantu who put us first njengama South Africans. Guys, mina shem, you can say whatever you say. I'm xenophobic futhi nje angeke ngize ngiqamba manga, because I will always put my people first. ANC, we voted for you, Natina, but now they are vouching for illegal foreigners. Guys, I've seen a woman giving birth, pants. I've seen a woman like azala benchi. Imbhede is being occupied by abantu base Zimbabwe. Mawungena lapho like in the ward bakhuluma isishona. Zuri say. Like, guys, what do we owe amanye country? What did you ever do to ANC to hate us this much? What did you ever do to EFF to hate us this much? When are we going to be chosen? When is our country going to be chosen? The businesses like that are being run here by foreigners. They are South Africans. No illegal foreigner. You can go to any country. More foreigner, you'll never run a small business. Never. Ile country like Pela. Abantu bayazenzela, bayangena bayaphuma, ama-drugs ama-Nigeria every week kwishow yesizokuthola ama-Nigeria. Abantu bayazenzela, abantu babulala abantu. Nakho lapha eHammanskraal umfana bekazibiza ngomfana ngwenya, sekuvele manje ukuthi u-Augustus Flavio what waseMozambique. Siphila nabantu that we don't know. Bayarape, bayabulala, benzani, and like nothing's being done because abaziwa abatholakali. Nangu moya ubulele wona lamaphoyisa lawo wabulele uphi namhlanje. Guys, the country is gone, and uma ANC ningayibuyisa futhi, guys, uma ANC kaRamaphosa engabuya kwi-power, then the country is gone. Angesiphinde siyithole. Abantu abadeserve our votes, abantu who care ngathi abasibeka kuqala. Abo Herman Mashaba bayasilwela. O Dr. like Nandipha le bayilungisa ithwane. bakhipha ama-Pakistan nani. Guys, abantwana abawu-34 bashona ngenxa yamashophu kwama-Pakistan adayisa poisonous food. EFF azange zivule icase, nabo bafuna ukuvulela i-operation Tudula ebeka thina kuqala. Guys, wake up, the country's gone. Uma singajikisi ama-foreigner emaklinikhi, wosisikabani kumele ukuthi bashonelwe abantwana, bazalele phansi, bazalele kuma-bench, wosisikabani. Guys, thina asihluphi any country, asikoloti any country next, but siyahlushwa. And the painful part, the very same parties or organizations wethu abo South African human rights ba-protect ama-foreigners. ANC protect ama-foreigners, EFF protect ama-foreigners. What did we ever do to deserve such stupid leaders? January years. Iy'kolo uzobona omama baphithene amakhanda, iy'kolo zigcwele, abantwana bama-foreigner bagcwele bathe shiqa ey'koleni. Abantwana bama-South African abanayi-base. Is that the South Africa that you guys want? Is that what you want us guys to do? Sithule singasho lutho? No, guys. No. ANC, EFF, you guys will never lead this country. ANC mina ngiyasho, yabona mawungabuya next year kuma local elections, hayi angisazi. Ama-party akhona adeservayo. Action SA has been fighting for us. Mawungaya ku-Twitter ubheke, Action SA has been delivering. Nayi KZN seyiqalile, bayaxosha ama-illegal foreigners because ama-leaders wakhona achoose abantu base-KZN. Guys, nale advising nayo eyokugcina, ANC kumele iphume, or else this country akhohlwana ngayo papa yini.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Famous TikToker uSgobe ukhuluma ngale ndzaba yema-foreigners, saying ukuthi ubone video yalomnyeni sakhuluma ngokuthi bantu they are heartless, ngani baqosha their African brothers and sisters la South Africa, waye babaqosha etibhedlela anasemaklinikhi. Ukuthi Sigobe ningakhulumiswa ukuthi nemali madoda, ningakhulumiswa ukuthi nisebenzisa ama-medical aid nakuma-private clinics and private hospitals. You guys don't know ukuthi sibukana nani sine. You don't know lama-challenges lesifayisana nawo kuba sema-public clinic and public hospitals because kugcwele ama-foreigners. Uthi uthola boseswethu balele phansi because ma-foreigners alele embhedeni. Buseswethu abawatholi ama-service, nathi asiwatholi ama-service because ama-service asuke saqedwe abantu bokuqhamuka. Ukuthi ungakhulumi if you know ukuthi into efana ne-static affect. Uthi uma i-ANC ngabiyela in power, uthi ugeza tandla washa tandla ngelevel lase-South Africa because kusho ukuthi phela liyabhubha liyaphela. Uthi nabo abantu lekumele sibavotele Action SA, bo-Operation Tudula, bo-MK. Ngibo abantu labalwela South Africa, ngibo labantu labafuna kubona iSouth Africa iphumelela. ANC, EFF dodi indzaba yabo because bona they are protecting foreigners, they are fighting for foreigners ukuthi bahlale la South Africa. They are our African brothers and African sisters. Kanjani onibona ama-services South Africa ngekho enough even 14 kanjani? So uyakhuluma nje laphana ku-TikTok uyasho ukuthi cha guys, indzaba ema-foreigner nje ayikho. Nathi siyadibonela ukuthi vele ama-foreigners wana afuna hlala ngengane into abugebengu tidzakamiva ngibo, njengoba basho ukuthi lapha kubusize sizokuthola nje hlezi gcwele bama-foreigner ama-Nigeria bamoshe South Africa. Yethe kunema-political parties lathi labantu laba bahlale nathi la South Africa because they are our African brothers and sisters. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.